Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is a quick, and I do mean quick, refresh. Future Nichole here. I was watching this clip and I don't know what was like all over me. I had stuff like on my nose and stuff, but I needed this clip because I had some good information and I needed you to see my hair because I referenced my hair. But I had been playing outside with Cole and I think I had like chalk or something on me. I don't know, but just disregard that. Hear my words and enjoy the video. Bye guys. Quick refresh because I have about an hour to get to where I'm going, but I need to refresh my hair and I'll kind of explain to you all the details about my hair. But first I need to hop in the shower. But the reason why I'm doing this video is because I want to try to come on here more often so I can talk about products I'm using. I'm really trying to get back into my hair content, and I'm going to be using this mousse def. I have a little bit left that I want to finish it off with, but I want to be able to come on and just talk to you about products I'm using, product combos, and just have a chit chat and do my hair more often on camera. So here we are. So let me hop in the shower and I will get this video started. Out of the shower. So I didn't wash my hair, but I did rinse it and make sure water hit it to make it a little bit easier. This is pretty much what I would do with the spray bottle, but instead I just did it in the shower because I am in a time crunch. But yeah, like I was saying, I wanted to come and start sharing more about products I'm using. While I love doing my vlogs and while I do talk about different products in my vlogs, sometimes just doing a dedicated video so I could really just share what I'm doing, what's going on, to talk about products I'm using and things I'm doing is, you know, fun too. So what I do when I refresh, I just wet it, as you can see. I just go in with a styler. I don't really do like the leave-in styler, all the steps I normally do, because there's still product in my hair. And so I don't feel the need all the time to do that. And I don't have to go in with as much product as the first time because, like I said, there's still product in my hair. But anyways, I'm using the Dew Mousse Def Texture Foam. I have raved about this so much. And I actually really like it for refresh styles. I like it, you know, as an initial styler, but I like it for refresh styles too. It's just really nice. It glides on really nicely. And so yeah, that's what I'm using. But originally, what is in my hair is what I wanted to talk to you all about, because I have been using this gel, trying to figure out different products to use with it. So I just did a video talking about trying out different leave-ins with the Shea Moisture Flaxseed Gel. And I've also been trying to find leave-ins to go with the Dew Big Papa Gel. I actually really like that gel. And I've tried it alone, absolutely not. I've tried it with a couple of leave-ins, but they weren't memorable experiences. And so the other day, I saw Kendra from the Glam Twins talk about it and talk about the leave-in that she used, which was a pattern leave-in. And I don't have that particular leave-in, but I do have the Detangling Nectar, and I have paired that one with the B-Girl Gel a lot. Like, that is my favorite combo. And so I decided to try it with that. And so the results of that was what you saw earlier. I did it on a Thursday and today is Saturday. And initially it was like a really nice combo and it had like a little hold, but as soon as I scrunched out the hold, it became like and I do mean lightweight, like my hair was just flying, y'all. A lightweight wash and go that was very defined, but then I got in the wind and it became a very fluffy wash and go. But the thing about that wash and go is if you don't like heavy products and you like a lightweight but defined kind of more fluffy look, you would love that combo. Now, it was not as moisturizing as I would have liked it to be, but my hair wasn't dry. It just was so lightweight that my hair started tangling, as you can see. And so I would have had to refresh it anyways today or in the morning before I go to church. I just happened to have somewhere to be tonight. And I was out in the wind all morning at my son's t-ball game. Then we went to the park and like did a whole bunch of running around for hours. And so that was like the results. What you saw in my hair was the results of me being out in the wind, and this West Texas wind has not been nice, y'all. I'm sure y'all have seen like all the different storms happening all over the country. but this West Texas wind has not been nice on my hair. And so for me to be able to like wear it out and it lasts even that much time was pretty nice. And so the tangling though, the back of my hair, the texture is so weird and it's very much tight. It's more tightly curled than the front. Like the front always looks like I have some sort of heat damage. Even when I don't, like the curls are just looser and the back is really tight. And so it rubs up against whatever I'm wearing and it's tightly curled so like it shrinks up. And so I think that like contributed to like the tangling, the wind, and just all of that. So anyways, that's a really nice combo. If you have those two products, try it out. If you've tried them out, let me know. But I really like that detangling nectar, so I thought to try it with it. Now, because I like my hair to last, that's not gonna be like my go-to combo, but if I want a fluffy wash and go for like a certain thing, like I needed my hair done for my mom's birthday dinner, then that was perfect because it was fluffy, it was nice, and you know, I can pull it back or something the rest of the week. Now, what I wanted to try it with next, because I realized I had some still from Essence that I haven't opened, Curl Love Moisture Milk by Camille Rose. My cousin put me on that a long time ago. I was at her house doing my hair in the summer, and like I wasn't planning on doing my hair, but we ended up going to the beach and I needed some product. And so, shedding. And so she gave me that. I'm talking and being so heavy-handed and my hair is gonna take so long to dry. Anyways, so she gave me that, and y'all, I was like, this stuff right here. So it's a nice leave-in as like an original leave-in, but if you want to like refresh your wash and go and you want some moisture instead of like a dry gel, because sometimes I do like to do that since there's already like gel and product on my hair, y'all, that stuff right there. And so I think the next combo I might try, and I might try it here on camera for y'all, is that, but I'm gonna have to do a test first to make sure that they work well together. All right, so my hair is done. This is it. I'm gonna lay down my edges, do some light makeup so my hair can air dry a little bit, and then I'll diffuse it and be done. But like, this is the results. And so yeah, all I did was water this mousse. I'm telling y'all, I really love this mousse. All right, that's better. I turned the light off because it was giving a little bit too much warmness in here. Anyways, all right, so my hair is done. I just slicked this part down a little bit, like not like slick like I normally do, but I just kind of put a little bit of gel and tucked it behind my ear, just to give it like a different kind of look. I don't know what the back looks like, but I will show y'all. What they say, the back is none of my business. It's not, but I'll show you. Yeah, that's how I quickly refresh my little wash and goes. I think here in the near future, while I am loving playing with my hair, while I'm loving just trying out different products, and I've been trying out quite a few products. I am going to do an empties video. I think I am going to try a wig, and I say that because one, I already bought it. I'm just waiting for time to play with it and figure out how to do it. But two, because I keep getting to like this length, this shoulder length with my hair curly. Now, of course, it's much longer when it's straightened, but in the past, I've gotten to a point where like I don't like my hair and I will start straightening it, and I'm trying my hardest to avoid that. So for the last couple of years, really like 2 to 3 years, I will get to this length, and so instead of like doing a protective style or something, I will just straighten my hair. I'm trying not to do that or just pulling it back in a bun. I'm actually trying to work on my appearance, look more presentable all the time instead of just putting a bun and a baseball cap on. So I have a wig that I ordered probably like 3 months ago that's still in the box that I am gonna try out. So if you are interested in me doing that on camera, comment down below and I will come and try it out. just to give myself a break, give myself, you know, a different kind of look. In the past, when my hair was in its like TWA phase and I didn't like it very much, I actually used to make myself wigs and just braid my hair up under it, and that's actually how I got it to grow out a little bit faster. And now it's at another awkward length where it sits here on my shirt and it rubs, or like my hair is very, very fragile. And so until I can get it to a stronger point, which is what I've been working on, I think I'm just gonna do protective style, especially for the summer, and then tried a few different styles, maybe the style I did last summer. If you're interested in that, I'll link that one as well. But yeah, that's all for this one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.